and the gill is taken out. And after you wash it, you can pour vinegar, white vinegar on it, just to ensure that, just to cut down some of the rawness. Make sure you wash it properly.
So tell us, how does it cut down the rawness?
The vinegar helps to reduce the rawness. Then you pour a little black pepper.
Black pepper.
Yeah.
That looks like a lot to me.
I'm gonna mix it up. And a little salt. And here I use sea salt because I rather sea salt.
Some salt.
Sea salt. Right. After this is done, make sure it gets a fair amount of black pepper and salt all over. Then let's turn to
the stove.
You're gonna put the pot on without any oil. Make sure the pot is very hot, and you can use a small pot because when you're frying fish it takes up a lot of oil, and so I always use a very small pot, something that can hold about 3 fishes
or 4.
right. So I allow this pot to get real hot,
and then you put the oil
before I pour the oil in the pot. So it must be real hot to the point where you're actually seeing smoke coming from out of the pot. It's recommended that you heat the pot first to prevent the fish from sticking, because one problem people have when they're frying fish, the fish sometimes stick to the bottom of the pot, and this is because they do not allow the pot to get real hot before pouring in the oil. So make sure the pot is very, very hot, right? And after, you can pour the oil. So I'm here heating the pot for about a minute or 2. Then I'm going to pour the oil into the pot. I'm giving it some more time to get real hot, because the hotter the pot, the nicer the fish will come out. Right, so here I am looking about fish, and these fish, we call them sprat. Right, Caribbean people tend to cook a lot of sprat fish, you know. Very nice fish, good for night for setup, you know. Here looking about sprat fish. Okay, just showing you a little. Still add some more black pepper
and some more salt.
And some more salt. Alright, after, I think this pot is hot enough. So now I'm gonna pour the oil. And when you pour the oil, you also allow the oil to get heated in the pot. So after the pot is heated, then you pour the oil and you wait until the oil is also heated. And this is a trick to prevent your fish from sticking to the bottom of the pot, and to prevent your fish from coming out looking mash up and a bit scoogey. So here I am showing you how we Jamaicans prepare and fry sprat. And you can fry other fish like this. It's not just sprat fish, because one way to prevent the oil or the fish from sticking into the pot is to first heat the pot, and after you heat the pot, you put the oil, you pour the oil into the pot, and you make sure that oil is heated also. And then after that is done and you think the pot is hot enough, see, you hear it frying up, now you can put your fish into the pot, right? And these are Jamaican sprat fish that we tend to fry and eat them dry. You just fry them like that. They're very nice with your fried plantains, your bammies, or your green plantains. They're nice with bread. You can have it for breakfast, have it for supper, you know, and
or lunch.
even lunch, yeah. So we allow that to fry for roughly 5 minutes on one side.
She's getting the foot. The foot one.
And this is cooking in the Jamaican way. This is how we fry fish, the Jamaican way. And we fry fish and we prevent the fish from sticking into the bottom of the pot. Alright?
This smells very good though.
Smells good? I hope it tastes as good as it smells. Oh, 8 minutes down. I'm frying fish, and it's fried fish. It's Labor Day in Jamaica. Today is May 25, 2020. And it's a Monday, it's a public holiday, but guess what? Due to the coronavirus, people aren't allowed to go out and labor. Normally, people go out and work in their communities, paint up the school, sweep the yards, sweep the streets, paint the sidewalk. But because it's Labor Day and we're in a pandemic, the coronavirus is still here. That don't prevent Jamaicans from enjoying themselves, from having a meal, from cooking. We just do it at home. Right, so here we're looking about sprat. This is sprat fish, S-P-R-A-T. This is sprat, and this is how we look about sprat, okay? We don't let our sprat stick to the bottom of the pot. So just watch this. Very good. You can pause it.
What's this?
And let's use to pause it. I don't know. It's okay. Yeah, push it.